landing right now? I'm getting confused.
Oh no.
Blast. I am really tired.
The haters, man. Not us.
I don't know. It's a Canucks hat. Yeah. Coffee. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
That's lame. Okay, I quit. Hi.
Hello.
We are going to an air show today and I'm so excited. We met here at Publix so that Micah could come with us. He's over there. And then we have to go and get a bus and do something. I haven't filmed this entire week, so it's only gonna be a one-day vlog, but it's gonna be awesome because air shows are so much fun and it's been forever since we've been to one. If my battery doesn't die. So we went into Publix, and when we came back out, the red Mustang transformed into that. Isn't it so bright? Gotta wear your sunglasses. Sort of. Ouch! That was loud. Line for the bus. It was not meant to go. How long are we going to be in line for?
Unless you're right up.
It's so bright. Look, buses. Wow, the show is going on. They like What? Do you like the bus more? I like buses. Stop and get some water.
No, don't touch me.
Now that we're all sunscreened up, we're gonna go look at all the airplanes that are on the flight deck, not the ones in the sky. Ready? Yeah. Airplanes everywhere.
Babies everywhere.
Who puts the mustard and ketchup on like that?
Me.
We're just walking along and all of a sudden we look up and they're parachuters.
Who would have thunk?
We're missing the national anthem. You're just gonna have to sing it yourself. Haven't had cotton candy in years. I break the rules. I eat it anyway.
I break the rules. I eat it anyway.
I just want to try one bite. Graydon works on those airplanes. Is it as good as yours, Graydon?
Can't see where I'm going. Look at people.
Melted ice cream, cotton candy everywhere.
Rocky cotton candy melted ice cream.
It like melts completely.
It's like a magic trick.
Yeah, it is.
Did you ever see the video of the raccoon?
Yeah.
Candy watching it disappear? Must have the 80s rock music going at all times during an air show. They haven't been. Are you watching the airplanes? Me too.
Lights go
highly approve of the Two Steps from Hell music they're playing right now, Heart of Courage. So awesome! This music.
It's awesome.
Is this music appropriate?
Yeah.
Well, that was the end of the air show. It was amazing. My battery has like 2 seconds left.
If my battery doesn't die.
Porta potties. The Thunderbirds are so good. How do they do that? I shall never know.
I shall never know.
And also I'm burnt to a crisp and we have to carry all the chairs back by ourselves because Dad and Mom quit and went home early. So we got to do it all by ourselves. Don't carry 3. Stop. We can share.
We made it, Commander.
We made it.
We made it, Commander. We made it.
Back to the car. Now we have to go back to the parking lot and then shower because I feel really dirty. Once we get home.
You thought it was over.
Pink hair brush. Pink hair brush. Pink hair brush.
Never seen a music video before.